Miranda es de esas chicas a las que les encanta compartir momentos de su vida en TikTok, no solo cosas de moda, sino momentos cotidianos reales. Para ella, la aplicación es como un álbum de recortes digital, aunque ese día en particular estaba de excursión por el bosque con sus amigos, grabando como siempre, pero entonces sucedió algo extraño. Entre los árboles divisaron a una niña pequeña, silenciosa, inmóvil, observándolos. Al principio pensaron que habían visto un fantasma. Impulsados por la curiosidad y un ataque de miedo, decidieron seguirla, y esto fue lo que pasó después.
All right, so this little girl's lost, and now we're looking for her. You need help looking for them?
Did y'all see that? Where are you going?
Hey, do you know where your mom is? Or your dad? Are you lost? Are you lost?
We're trying to help you.
Are you okay?
We're friendly.
Are you lost?
You know where your mama and dad is, so you can get with them? You shouldn't be by yourself out here.
Say
Huh?
what?
My daddy got pee.
He went pee?
He on the car. He got on the car.
Here, I can't hear you. I'm going to get a little closer so I can hear you.
I'm gonna go tell Uncle Randy what's going on.
Resulta que la niña no era un fantasma, sino una niña pequeña que se había perdido en el bosque. Los únicos fantasmas de verdad ese día eran sus padres, porque no se les veía por ningún lado. Después de todo el encuentro, Miranda publicó un video con una actualización compartiendo la historia completa con sus seguidores.
Alright, so quick story time before bed. The little girl was walking around, lost. There was a grandmother and a couple of other kids, and apparently the other kids were also missing, and the mom was out looking for them. We didn't see them, or else we would have also brought them back to the grandmother. Whenever I stopped recording the video, I grabbed my uncle and also saw the grandmother and reunited them. Not sure how they got separated, but I guess that's why they have leashes for kids. I don't know.
Por suerte, su abuela no estaba muy lejos y pudieron ayudar a reunir a la niña con ella. Los niños tienen mucha energía y cuando juegan en un bosque es fácil que se alejen más de lo previsto. Esto sucede con más frecuencia de lo que uno piensa. Project Amber es un canal dedicado al campismo en furgoneta, donde el creador viaja por diferentes países documentando sus tranquilas aventuras. Sus videos suelen ser tranquilos y nunca pretenden asustar al público, pero en este video en particular, las cosas dieron un giro inesperado. En 2018, mientras conducía por la campiña francesa, tuvo que detenerse para pasar la noche debido a una avería en la nevera de su autocaravana. Encontró un camping aislado y cubierto de vegetación al borde de la carretera, cerca de un bosque rural, donde no se veía nada ni a nadie en kilómetros a la redonda.
I'm starting to have second thoughts about this, but if it works for the internet, it can work for me. There's the gargling noise. Always making some weird noises. It didn't say how long to leave it, just until the gargling stops. I don't really want to put my head near it. Maybe that's it. Oh. Little rock. It's still warm in there. Why are you warm? Right. Now I'm sure with house fridges you're supposed to. Right, so I'm pretty sure with a house fridge, if you move it, you're supposed to leave it like 12 or 24 hours to settle, for the gas to settle. Now I've just flipped it upside down and back again, so I'm going to give it the full 24 hours, I think, to... what are you looking at? You keep freaking me out, dog. There's no one over there.
Después de sacar la nevera y charlar un rato, notó que su perro actuaba de forma extraña. Se encontraba en estado de alerta constante, mirando fijamente un punto.
There's actually a well. Just where I'm parked, you go down this little track, and there's a well with a big metal bar on it. And originally I was going to go and park there, and I saw the well. Instantly started thinking about the ring, which when I was about, I don't know, I think it was about 10 when it came out, scared the shit out of me. For like a month I didn't sleep properly. So yeah, I'm not staying there.
El lugar en el que su perro estaba obsesionado resultó ser un viejo pozo abandonado con una tapa de metal oxidada. La noche siguiente, el creador publicó un video de actualización en su Instagram.
Okay, I'm seriously freaked out now. A minute ago I could hear like really loud moaning, like just booming across the mountains. So I've come down to where I could hear it. I got to this old well and it stopped. That thing's wild freaky. It's like something out of the ring. But just as soon as I got here, just from over there, there's no track or anything, it's just wood. This girl appeared, dressed kind of like a monk, no shoes, and no hair. So I said bonjour and that, and she responded. I asked if she was okay, but she didn't respond then, she just carried on walking. So I carried on a bit and then thought, I better double check. Went to go and find her again. She's gone. So up that way, that's where my van is, and that goes to the road. But down where she went that way, there's nothing, and there's nothing for miles. Where did she go? I'm gonna leave.
Entonces, de alguna manera, logró grabarlo todo con la cámara. El creador menciona que su perro suele ser juguetón y corre hacia cualquiera que ve para jugar, pero esta vez el perro se quedó atrás y siguió gimoteando. Los perros tienen un fuerte instinto y cuando actúan de forma extraña suele ser señal de que algo raro está pasando. Vio la figura un par de veces más después de eso y luego se fue.
I have not got a clue what was going on there. That was so weird. The well, the moaning from the forest, the girl. Maybe there's an explanation to it all, but I wasn't sticking around. I left, I booted it. I'm about 50 miles from there now. I saw the girl another 2 times. The last time I was near the van and she was running through the forest. I left. I was gone. I was gone so fast. I didn't even pack the van away. Yeah, it's a pretty big mess in here.
Este usuario de Reddit estaba en los bosques del este de Canadá cuando empezó a oír el grito de alarma de un pájaro carpintero piquicorto. Seguido de unos ruidos extraños, empezó a grabar y esto es lo que capturó.
What the f*** was that? I heard some shit there.
¿Qué opinas de este grito? Si reconoces que pertenece a algún animal en particular, coméntalo en los comentarios. Arms Family Homestead es un canal que sigue la vida cotidiana de una familia que comparte videos sobre pesca, caza, trabajo en su tierra y más. Es súper tranquilo y relajante de ver, una verdadera escapada a la vida sencilla del campo, aunque en este episodio, Daniel, el papá, lleva a su hijo de casa a su propiedad boscosa.
So, Emily struck out this morning. It's just the first day of season, but she had a birthday party to go to, and this guy has a tag in his pocket burning a hole, so to speak. They're electronic now. Tags are electronic, but Limpy Gimpy has been in the field like 3 nights in a row. I saw him last night bow hunting, and I just couldn't do it. And if he shows up tonight, I don't think we're going to have the same problem.
I might cry if I kill him.
We'll see. I don't know. Houston and I are going to head to the woods, and maybe he'll have 2 bucks on the ground, and Emily's still at 0.
Tan pronto como llegaron a la propiedad, comenzaron a avistar ciervos y se tomaron un tiempo para observarlos en silencio.
Bad news. Randy is on camera in the field where we usually hunt. He's been here in this field at least three evenings in a row. We're in the wrong spot tonight.
A lo lejos, dos hombres armados comenzaron a acercarse a la propiedad privada. Daniel y sus hijos se quedaron callados, esperando no molestar a los ciervos, pero las acciones de los hombres rompieron rápidamente la calma.
Two dudes are fixing to be trespassers. They're sneaking up on our deer, trying to take a shot of the 3 deer that are right in front of us.
They better not.
You be still. You be still.
La bala no alcanzó al ciervo completamente, pero estuvo peligrosamente cerca de Daniel. Tan pronto como los hombres se dieron cuenta de que no estaban solos, se dieron la vuelta y corrieron.
You see that? 2 guys. That's a public hunting area. 2 guys almost just shot Houston and I. We're sitting in a blind on top of this hill right here. And those 3 does standing in front of us, they literally walked across the first gate, which put them on the private property. The second gate is my gate. They leaned on that gate right there and took a shot at our deer in our field. I came out yelling, not nice words, not in a nice manner. And the 2 pansies took off running. I called the game warden, called the park rangers.
Daniel llamó inmediatamente a la policía y, por suerte, lograron localizar y atrapar a los cazadores furtivos. Los hombres habían entrado sin permiso en su propiedad privada y, peor aún, dispararon un tiro que estuvo a punto de alcanzar a Daniel o a su hijo. Fue una situación sumamente grave y aterradora. Su hijo quedó visiblemente conmocionado, aún tratando de asimilar lo cerca que había pasado la bala y la aterradora imagen de un arma casi apuntando hacia ellos. Si llegaste hasta aquí, significa que te está gustando el video, así que, ¿qué tal si le das a suscribirte y activar la campana para recibir notificaciones cuando publique el próximo video? Trent recorre Norteamérica viviendo en su furgoneta, buscando lugares remotos y noches tranquilas, pero esta vez se dirigía a un lugar conocido por algo mucho más oscuro. Un bosque con un pasado inquietante.
And along my travels, I often stumble upon creepy, abandoned, or even haunted places. And today, I am traveling through the mountains of Colorado, specifically on a road called Phantom Canyon Road. This is a road that was once a railroad system in the 1800s that transported passengers and gold from Canyon City to Victor, Colorado. And while that general synopsis may not sound very spooky to you, there is a reason why the locals call this road Phantom Canyon Road. And today I'm going to explore some of those stories while I camp in this supposed haunted forest alone. It is officially nighttime, and I hate driving at night, specifically on windy, remote dirt roads in the middle of the night. And this road in particular has a lot of cliff edges, and if I'm not paying attention or I can't see well, I could easily just drive off the side of this road and fall and tumble for hundreds of feet down the mountain. And that is the last thing I want from this adventure.
La oscuridad cayó rápidamente, y mientras conducía por un camino estrecho rodeado de precipicios, de esos en los que un giro equivocado podría hacerte caer, los faros apenas atravesaban la oscuridad y el aislamiento se sentía pesado, mucho antes incluso de aparcar. Finalmente, encontró un lugar para acampar, preparó su furgoneta, cocinó algo de comida y encendió una hoguera, intentando acomodarse para la noche.
In the 1800s, this area, or this road that we drove in on, used to be a railroad system that connected Florence and Cripple Creek, Colorado. It was used to transport both passengers and gold during a time when mining was what kept these towns alive. And supposedly in the 1890s, passengers aboard the train were traveling through this canyon and they saw a man walking along the train tracks in prison attire. However, that man supposedly looked like a man that was previously executed at the Colorado State Penitentiary down in Canyon City a few days before. And people that come here to camp overnight claim to see ghostly figures that look like prisoners or miners walking among this forest late at night. Which I just got chills saying that out loud. All by myself here in this forest.
Sentado allí al resplandor de las llamas, comenzó a compartir historias de fantasmas locales relacionadas con la zona. Historias de un hombre visto caminando por las vías, un hombre que había sido ejecutado y campistas que afirmaban ver figuras moviéndose entre los árboles. El tipo de historias que son fáciles de escuchar hasta que te encuentras solo en la oscuridad. Pero entonces lo oyó, un movimiento, un sonido que instantáneamente desvió su atención del fuego.
I thought I heard something moving over here. Freak. I'm on edge. Of course I am. I'm in a haunted forest, for crying out loud. Okay, before I freak myself out too much, I am going to put out this fire and go explore a little bit, walk along this road, and see if we find or experience anything interesting, because there's a lot more to this area than just this campsite. So let's go explore.
El bosque a su alrededor ya no se sentía quieto. Ahora, cada sombra parecía más profunda. Caminó con cautela alrededor de su campamento, sin aventurarse muy lejos, plenamente consciente de su vulnerabilidad. Fue entonces cuando notó algo más. El camino que conducía a un túnel largo y tenebroso.
I'm actually really scared right now. And not so much because of like the ghosts, but more so because of the potential threat of stumbling across a mountain lion or something, because that is a very, very real threat out here at night. And they hunt at night. Wait. Oh, that's right. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I forgot that this road has tunnels. Wow. This is both incredibly creepy and beautiful at the same time. It's so weird to just like stumble upon too. Like when I was doing my research on this road, I knew that the tunnels were here, but on my way in, I didn't see any. So I just assumed they were no longer in use or something. I guess that's because I came from the north side of the road rather than the south, but this is wild.
Atraído por ello, entró lentamente. La linterna atravesaba la oscuridad. Con los pensamientos ya acelerados, el túnel lo amplificó todo. El silencio, los ecos, la sensación de ser observado, sentado dentro solo con su linterna, comenzó a oír débiles ruidos, casi como cantos.
You know, I don't know if it's my mind playing tricks on me or not, but I definitely just heard singing. Like distant singing. Okay, I know for a fact that the camera can't pick it up. It is so faint that I'm like struggling to hear it. And I don't know if it's like the sounds bouncing off the tunnel walls or what, but it literally sounds like people singing. Oh, it's just some other people camping. I mean, makes sense. After all, I am on public land, so there's bound to be other campers along this road. I guess I'm not so alone after all.
Al salir de nuevo, se dio cuenta de que había otros campistas cerca, pero de alguna manera eso no mejoró la situación. Estar solo en un bosque embrujado es una cosa, saber que también hay extraños ahí fuera es otra cosa. De vuelta en su furgoneta, intentó relajarse, pero la noche no había terminado.
Okay. I hope the camera picked it up, but I just heard a thud outside. I just turned on my light outside my sliding door. I don't see anything out the windows. It sounded like something hit my van. I'm like shaking right now. Hello? I literally have no idea what that noise could have been. It sounded like something bumping into my van. Now, I've got my tripod out here that I forgot about, but that's still standing, and my shovel, maybe it slid. Okay, just real quick for peace of mind, I'm gonna go outside and just do a perimeter search.
Se oían ruidos desde fuera. El corazón le latía con fuerza, las manos le temblaban y miró hacia afuera. Nada, no había nadie. ¿Era solo su imaginación o tal vez un animal? Apenas durmió, con la persistente sensación de que algo lo había estado observando toda la noche. Ramble Soul es un canal donde una pareja de Turquía prueba diferentes tiendas de campaña en lugares realmente hermosos. Sus tiendas de campaña suelen ser enormes y estar muy bien decoradas, y eso es precisamente lo que hacen en este video. Esta vez eligieron un lugar cerca de un lago para pescar, y al llegar comenzaron a desempacar y a armar la tienda. Más adelante, terminaron de armarla, sacaron su bote al lago y lograron pescar algunos peces. Después de regresar, encendieron el fuego en la estufa y comenzaron a preparar la cena.
Çok fena, çok.
Aa, çok soğudu hava.
Después de comer, entraron a la tienda y se durmieron. A la mañana siguiente, todo parecía perfecto. Salieron para preparar el desayuno, pero mientras lo hacían, algo sucedió.
Gerçek mi o?
Ya bir dursaydı şöyle 1-2 saat balığa çıkardık. Daha
Değil
güzel
mi?
olurdu. Oh. Oo. O ne
Aşkım.
ya?
Ya! Oh! Saçmalama! Dur!
Al şunu al. Ne var içeride?
Oh!
Sana yandım. Şu arabanın anahtarı.
Ya patlar mı onlar?
Patlayacak bir şey yok. Çok yaklaşma. Tüpler patlayabilir.
Of ya! Of ya!
Ta bagajın altındaki gözde. Vay be. Olaylar ya.
Bizim siyah poşetimiz kaç tane vardı?
Siyah poşet 2-3 tane var herhalde ya. Bakalım çantaya. Şuna bak ya. Ya kuzu vallahi buna şükür ya.
Gerçekten öyle.
Yani iyi büyümedi ha. Ha nasıl oldu ben hala anlamadım ya. Şu ne? Ha priz. Işığa takılıyor.
Çadır, hoşça kal çadır.
Elveda çadır diyorsun ha?
Hı hı. İlk defa kullandık seni. İlk ve son kez.
Simsiyah ya.
Realmente no sabían cómo empezó ahí. No pudo haber sido la estufa. Nada cerca se quemó. ¿Quién sabe qué pasó realmente? Lo importante es que no estaban durmiendo en la tienda cuando ocurrió. Si lo hubieran estado, las cosas podrían haber sido mucho peores.